Do you ever want to practice your Spanish, but you have nobody to practice with? No speaking partner, no Spanish friends, no classes nearby. I hear this all the time. So many Spanish learners say, Lily, I would practice more, but I just have nobody to speak with. And today I am going to tell you something that is going to change everything. You do not need another person to practice speaking Spanish. You can do it completely alone in just 10 minutes a day. I'm Lily. Welcome to Speak Spanish with Ben and Lily. Let's go. But first, let me tell you something important. Speaking alone is not a strange thing. It is not a backup plan for when you cannot find a partner. It is actually one of the most effective ways to build Spanish fluency. Language researchers have studied this. When you speak alone, your mouth practices the sounds of Spanish. Your brain practices putting words together quickly, and your confidence grows every single time because you are doing it, not just thinking about doing it. So today I am going to give you 3 simple methods. You only need 10 minutes a day. That is it. Let's start. Method 1 is called Describe Your Day. This is exactly what it sounds like. Every day, talk about your day out loud in Spanish. You can do this in the morning, in the evening, while you are walking. Anywhere. Just say what you are doing, what you did, or what you are going to do. Simple sentences, short sentences. For example, hoy es lunes. Me desperté a las 7. Tomé café y me vestí. Ahora voy al trabajo. Today is Monday. I woke up at 7, I had coffee and got dressed. Now I am going to work. That is it. Simple. But when you say those words out loud, you are practicing real Spanish, real grammar, real vocabulary, real tenses. And the more you do it, the faster and more natural it becomes. Method 2. Go stand in front of your mirror and talk in Spanish. I know it sounds a little strange, but this is so powerful. Why the mirror? Because you can see your face. You can see your expressions. And this is important. Spanish is not just words, it is also your face, your voice, your energy. When you practice in the mirror, you practice all of that together. What do you say? Anything. Introduce yourself. Hola, me llamo Lily. Soy de Mexico. Me encanta aprender idiomas. Hello, my name is Lily. I am from Mexico. I love learning languages, or describe what you see, or pretend you are in a situation, ordering food, meeting someone new, a job interview. Just play, have fun with it. Nobody is watching, nobody is grading you. Method 3 is my personal favorite. I call it the repeat and change game. Take one sentence and say it out loud. Then change one word and say it again. Then change another word and say it again. Like this. Quiero comer pizza. I want to eat pizza. Quiero comer tacos. I want to eat tacos. Quiero beber agua. I want to drink water. Ella quiere beber agua. She wants to drink water. Ella quiere comprar agua. She wants to buy water. Do you see what is happening? You are building sentences, playing with grammar, practicing tenses, and doing it all by speaking out loud. This trains your brain to be flexible and fast when you speak. Do this for just 3 to 4 minutes, and you will feel the difference. Here is how to put it all together in just 10 minutes every day. Minutes 1 to 4. Describe your day out loud. What happened, what you are doing, what you will do. Minutes 5 to 7. Stand in front of the mirror. Introduce yourself. Talk about anything you see. Minutes 8 to 10, but play the repeat and change game. Pick one sentence and build from it. That is your full speaking practice. 10 minutes. No partner needed. No classroom, no app, just you and your Spanish. The next time you think, I cannot practice because I have nobody to speak with, I want you to remember this episode. You have yourself. And that is enough. Start today. Just 10 minutes. One method. That is all you need to begin. If this helped you, subscribe to Speak Spanish with Ben and Lily. New episode every single day. And tell me in the comments, which of these 3 methods are you going to try first? I read every single one. I'm Lily. Keep going, keep speaking, keep thinking in Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Bye.